The Nong Thamai Block Congress Committee has officially inaugurated its new office at Pokse Central. This development follows the merger of several former Trinamool Congress leaders with the Congress Party. The event was attended by prominent leaders including Dr. Omar Lin Kandia, who is the president of Shillong City Congress, along with Antonio War, Anish Sim, Shield Kharkongor, B.D. Marbanyang and Alan Victor Lingdo, the party's candidate for the upcoming MDC elections from the Nong Thamai constituency. Party supporters and members of the public were also present. During his address, Alan Lingdo expressed gratitude to the people of the constituency for their trust in the Congress. As a candidate, he pledged to introduce reforms in the District Council's legal framework and tighten regulations on trading licenses. Confident of success in the MDC elections, Alan Lingdo stated that his trust in the people remains strong and that he is committed to achieving the party's objectives in the upcoming polls.
Kumagal ong ipimene ba kumen sibun mangalak pani yo pendrung ayudon bentar seng kongres but abang iya cerum seneng abang nyilung nak wiki yo sekrewiak abang ki kli ya nak parti penikun abang kejuba pajongan ke nak seng kongres ini basisha ki brio ki yang badai tang setengah ni ke parti kepala ya kawalanra ya kejingkela nomor ba ini hapor kesensyari ke kongres ya kayak ben kamdon kenu ke bagi brio ke knyu dia takkan nomrem ke ba ngaru masuk don jikerman ba lingba kene kejing ai kejing kersan kejing brio ba di kejing ke kejing kongres dan wanra yang yo tahu so aja oh dari kemau ya iba alat belangkan ngori baju ba ya ngaru kungwe nagi nong kersan barat ba jongi naru usnam arzar sawi nilai terelang ba iba ya tu aja ka kendai but ai sisa ki mati abang yan serum seneng ai sisa kata kejing trei ke jongi ti ki kam ki babha ki brio ki pertu wat hadok ini kesi bangka tingaru kungwe nagi nong kersan nong bot baju kersan lang ni bahe ngis kam nagalenti ke ba i la padi ngaru ngala ya ke bantrei na kabanta ka konsumsi barahowe berkumbangi kunmau ka bor ju bahe i ba kawe ka trading license bu claim issue apor ba ibat ya ke iam kumutri te ngaru dakatakan nongrem ba ngis kam ba anak yang keban tray kumba bahe latip lang ila tray bat kumala omane ba gajing thumu ki jonga kan ba mantek la kami di bar jelan ki buan bani rung ban mi kat ke momon baru ia kaban tek la kam ikini training license ki ba ni ki por ki monta ki ba umdan chu ya kata gajing yo ne ke jing burong ya jat kan reu jui